Morning, everybody. Today we are at DCF Guns. Today we're gonna be shooting Flamethrower.
Oh my God! Sorry, Brad.
You didn't like that one? I'm getting YouTube lessons from my sons.
Hello, today we'll be shooting with guns and flamethrowers at DCF Guns.
Better than mine or so-so? Was it mid?
It was better.
That was mid, no cap.
Oh, no. I don't even think that's how bad it was.
All right, so today we're gonna be shooting with the Flamethrower. So I'm not really exactly sure how we're gonna shoot it or what we're gonna do, but we're gonna get the lights set up. We're gonna be using 3 to 4 lights, and I've got a couple different lens choices. I have the 7200 or I have the 2870, so I haven't decided which one to shoot with yet. A couple things that we're gonna try to keep in mind. We have nice sky out, weather's nice, sun obviously is back there, so if we put the sun behind, we can backlight the flame naturally. Shooting in that direction. One thing we need to be careful of, we have the sign, which we can use content aware fill to get rid of through Photoshop. And then we have, a sign we can take out. We have some houses, so the game plan is to either shoot from a low position, shooting up, so we get the sky behind the fire, or we can shoot up high, going down low, so we can change the angle, so that way we don't get the road and stuff like that. But some things that go through your head when you're getting ready to shoot is the composition first, where you're going to put the model and then what direction, because the sun's back here. There's a little bit of a rock hill over here, so she's up here on that rock hill, and then I shoot from the lower position over here, she can shoot the flames this way. The only thing I want to be careful of is there's a light breeze going this way. Probably going to shoot at 1/8000, just try to capture the flames, and then might start off at 2.8 just to see if we can blur out the background. Is gear important? It is important, but do you need to have pro photos? You don't. Does it make it easier? It does, but it's not something that you have to have. Put that light over behind by that tree. Just slide that this way. If you stand on that hill, you can be facing that way. I mean, I don't know if you know, but it's gonna look dope. Perfect, good. Just like that, love that lean. So with the 7200, nice thing about the 200 is I can zoom all the way in, get that compression, get a nice blurry background at 2.8. But when you zoom in all the way, I didn't have enough space to go all the way back to get the full 15-20 feet with the flame. So I swapped over to the 2870, and what I'm gonna try to do is scoot back, zoom in 70, try to get the full distance of the flame, and then we'll see how that goes.
I was gonna let you know, we got cool pistols too. If you
nice.
If you're doing any close-up face stuff, you want to put guns in there, we got that as well. So
I like it.
You do what you want to do, but I just want to let you know it exists.
He has the coolest toys. Man. My friend Norman Jean calls these shit kickers. All right, so what we're gonna try to do now is we're gonna go do video. We have quite a few pictures that I think are really cool. So now for the video piece, I'm going to use the 7200, and then I'm going to slow down the footage so that way it's 120. I'm going to put on some ND filters, try to limit all the ambient light, try to get the richness of all the fire. So we'll see what we do. I got an ND filter on so that way we can cut down all the ambient lights so we can get the richness of the fire. And then this is all for the gram. So all we need to get is, 15 seconds worth of footage, slow motion footage that really shows expression, that shows the flames for video. So let's see what we can do.